Hello guys! In this introduction video, I'll try to show you the link between software development and philosophy. Interesting part about programming as a subject is the ability to model the reality. If start from the very beginning, to model the reality is a sphere of philosophy. Nowadays, everyone is familiar with such terms as object and subject, but not many know where this terminology came from. An object is a philosophical term often used in contrast to term subject. A subject is an observer, and an object is a thing to be observed. This actually came from so-called Cartesian model, developed by René Descartes, as a way to look at the physical world, to be able to describe it and understand it better. He developed it in 1641, many years ago, and in case you missed, you still can catch up and read his The Meditation on First Philosophy. His Cartesian approach, in my opinion, is what we people use nowadays. Especially it applies in science, no doubt in corporate world as well. He actually adopted the idea from Galileo's view that physical things are not what they are, commonly taken to be on strengths of sense experience, namely possessors of secondary properties such as color, smell, and texture, but rather are objects characterized only by primary qualities of shape, size, mass, and mobility. Whether his approach is good or bad, it's a philosophical question, and some philosophers like Edmund Husserl, German philosopher and mathematician, who established the school of phenomenology, and his follower Martin Heidegger, indeed disagree with. In case you missed it and would like to challenge yourself, you can always go and read Being and Time by Martin Heidegger, written in 1927. You will find there another way of looking at the world, but we will not discuss this matter here. Just for you to know, as a software developer or world modeler, Cartesian or not, there is no such thing as a single approach of how to look at the world, even though we seem stuck with Cartesian one. So be flexible and soft. Isn't it why it is called software development? Think about it. Anyways, in these videos, we will cover some principles of so-called object-oriented programming. No doubt it came from René Descartes' Cartesian view, from his and now our objective world. By the way, you can argue about all this in the comments below. I've decided to make this recording once I talk to my daughter, who is learning right now how to develop video games. And as you can guess, in video games, you have to model things, including the world of objects and subjects, such as characters, subjects, obstacles, objects, and its properties. I hope it was educational enough, and see you in the next videos.